PRTG Stock Analysis Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So Portage Biotech stock sitting at 178% now for the day. That's absolutely crazy. Let's talk about it. Post market it's actually a little bit lower, actually a dollar lower, so that's that. And if I look at my previous videos on this, seems like I haven't got any. Actually, that's fair, because I was looking to take this thing even higher, only if I saw a complete double break, and I just never saw it. You know, I just saw one movement up and then just kind of kept going down. Ideally, I want to see a proper double break, so we never got that. As I'm looking at PRTG right here, I'll just come here to the 1 hour chart. Right, yeah, this is where we are. I saw a clean double break here, and in theory, this is a cool range. Right, I'm talking a cool shift, meaning if the price pulls down, it doesn't even have to pull down exactly inside my demand area. Like what it's actually doing right now is actually quite interesting. So if I see that pull down and then a full candle close above it, so we can actually have a full range shift, then and only then this is something that I'll participate in. But it needs to pull down just a tad bit so we can form that range, so then we can break it. That's it. So if you want to learn the strategy, want to trade in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.